In this video, I want to show how to lock almost any apps on your iPhone 16e. This way, it will require Face ID to have access to the app. Let's say I want to lock the weather app. I'll simply keep press on it and select Require Face ID. Select Require Face ID and look at your phone. Perfect. Now it's locked. If I want to use it and let's say I'm not looking at the phone, so Face ID cannot recognize me, it will not give access to the app. Now this is just the app asking me for permissions, but yeah, you'll be able to unlock it using a passcode if Face ID doesn't work. But you get the idea, and if you want to remove this lock, simply do the same thing. Keep press on the app, don't require Face ID, identify yourself, and the lock is gone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.